Okay, how to retouch the hairstyle like a pro and to look like this. So I'm gonna show you everything, and this is so cool thing you need to know. And let's get to it. Okay, so this is the image right now, and the first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna use this tool. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, this tool, and I just want to arrange this one to be like circle. So all the thing we have to do is that I will choose this one and I will come to here and choose this one, the second one. Okay, and then I'll hold shift key and I'll drag it to this. Okay, so that I'll put into the face to get a hairline. Okay, something like this. Okay, then I will take it to I'll just learn this like this. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna use to teach you to understand everything. Okay, so you will just come to the image, or you can just change this opacity to make it like this. Okay, like this. Okay, or anything, you just need to make it look like this. You can use it. Okay, so I'm gonna change to something you can just see and kind of try to make it. Okay, so let's just use this one. Okay, and I'll just come to the image and I'll just take and I'll just take this side like this. Okay, and hit Control J and Control T to push it like this. Okay, don't afraid, I will show you everything. Okay, then it just say eraser tool. Okay, okay, opacity 100%, and you just clean the side. Okay, to merge, and let's see. Okay, so I'll show you how it's going to look like real. So let's just put this one, and I will just take this one out. So I'll just choose this to spot here in the brush tool. Okay, then I will just reduce it and I'll take it down. Just do something like this. Okay, okay, then you just add let's give this one, then we come to the image again and just face the side and side. Here is not complete, so I'm gonna cut here. Okay, then Control J like I said, and Control T and push it. Okay, like this, and use the eraser tool to just clean around here. Okay, and increase it and clean it inside too. Okay, to merge. Also, let's see how we send it. So this is my technique is how I used to just do it. So you can do the same thing. Okay, not something straight. You can just go through what I just said on the video, and then don't make it too much, and you can follow how I used to do it, and it's so cool. And I will do the same thing here. So let's see. Wow. And I'll come here and I'll crop it. I'll do the same thing. Control J, Control T. Then we'll push it. Okay. And I'll just duplicate this one. Okay. Control J again and a Control T to drag it to here. Okay. Then let's just clean this one. Let's clean this one. And this one. Okay. Sorry. When you're doing it, just take your time. Okay. Make it straight. And here, going to reduce this point and just clean it. Okay. So let's just check and see. Okay. How we seen it? So I will show you the before and after, but I just want to clear this one out. Okay. So I will just push this one out again. Okay, and increase it and just clean it. Okay, so we need to fill this hole. So we're going to make cut on different side. Okay, let's say let's just here. And Control T. Then we drag it to that side and increase it small and lower the opacity to see the line well. And reduce the pointer and just clean it. So simple. Okay, then we just increase it and let's just take this one out. How we said it, you can just do this and then you fix this mistakes we just did to make it straight. So this is my techniques. I'm just using it to show you how I used to do it all the time. So you can do the same thing, okay, to get what you just want to feel about this image or yours. So I'm going to group all this image. I'm gonna group all these cut images, Control G, and then I'll group it and let's see before and after, before and after. Okay, then I'll add them together. Yeah, okay, cool. Add them and Control E to add them together like this. Okay, then I will just come to the image and adjustments and levels and try this one. Okay, I just want to just touch something little, not much, but I just want to show you how it's going to be. Take this one out like this. Okay, like this. Then hit the con. Okay, so this is how it is. So you can do the same thing to just get what I just showed you. And please subscribe to my page, and I'm gonna drop more videos. Sorry for just not talking well to you guys, but I'll drop videos which is just cool and you understand it more. So see you for the next video. Bye.